This presentation is about GCSE Eutrophication. Our key questions today are: what causes eutrophication? What happens during eutrophication? Let's imagine that you have a body of water like a lake or a river next to a farm. Intensive farming can harm the environment. Fertilizers are used to increase crop yield on farmland. Fertilizers contain nitrates and phosphates which make their way into the soil. These help the plants to grow. When it rains, the rain washes out the minerals into lakes or rivers. This is called agricultural runoff. As a result, algae in the water use the extra nitrate and phosphate nutrients to grow very quickly. This is known as an algal bloom. The algae use the sunlight and they start to reproduce rapidly. Unfortunately, the light is blocked to the bottom of the lake due to the large amount of algae. Plants are unable to photosynthesize and so they die as a result. The algal bloom dies out as well, as it's grown so quickly. The bacteria in the water decompose the dead plants and algae and use up all the oxygen in the water. The water becomes anoxic, which means a low oxygen concentration. The lack of plants for food and the oxygen means the aquatic life dies out in the water. So in summary, fertilizers run off into the water from farms. These runoffs contain nitrates and phosphates that are nutrients for plants. These nitrates and phosphates could also come from sewage and other animal farm waste. The extra nutrients cause algal blooms in the water, and the algae block sunlight from reaching other plants. This reduces photosynthesis and causes the plants to die. The algae will also die, and both the plants and the algae decompose due to bacteria in the water. The decomposition process uses up all the oxygen and makes the water anoxic. Animals in the water cannot respire due to the lack of oxygen and also die. This is how pollution from farmland or intensive farming can cause eutrophication.